Maurice here back for another power-packed training. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you guys. We're going to hit it off hard. We're going to start January out with a bang. I hope you guys had a fantastic, New Year, Christmas, holiday, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. I want to welcome you guys and hope you had a fantastic holiday season. Now it's time, ladies and gentlemen, to get down to business, okay? These next 2 months are critical months in Smma, okay? And today we're just going to talk about how to be successful in social media marketing in 2021. Okay, a lot of you guys flat out sucked in 2020, and we're going to change that today, okay? We're going to get you going right, because how you start is typically how you finish. So if we can get you guys started the right way, okay, we want you to start right, all right? Because if you start right, you're going to finish right, okay? This is important, all right? And so ladies and gentlemen, what we want to do is get you on the right path to making some money, okay? I know you guys are waiting for stimulus checks and all this other stuff, waiting for the government. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't wait for anyone, okay? I call my own shots. When I want to make money, I make money, okay? And I want you guys to have the same type of killer instinct, the same type of mentality, okay? Now, the first thing we need to do, okay, if we want to start right, we got to do something different, okay? This is key, all right? You guys, all right, cannot, all right, start the 21 year out, all right, doing the same thing, all right? You can't do the same thing. This is key. If you want something different, you got to do something different, okay? All right, a lot of you guys made horrible mistakes. You didn't make cold calls. You didn't read the books. You didn't purchase courses. You were chilling. You were watching Netflix. You were on Facebook. You were on IG. You were on YouTube all day, and all you did was consumed information. So therefore, you didn't do anything. You didn't work, all right? See, ladies and gentlemen, the Bible says if you don't work, you don't eat. And a lot of you guys, the reason why you're not eating is you're not working. You got to work, ladies and gentlemen, if you want results, all right? And so what am I saying? We got to program some new stuff in y'all mind, all right? If you want 2021 to be a success for you and your family, you want to get out of your job and you want to make more money, the first thing you got to do is you got to do something different. All right. And I'm going to give you the steps that I believe you need to take starting now. We're not going to wait for next week. We're not going to wait for tomorrow. We're going to do this stuff now. All right. And we mean right now. We want to do this now. All right. The stuff that I'm going to lay out for you. OK, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to sit back for a minute and I want you to think about, all right, regurgitate. All right, meditate. Think about all the things that you did last year that brought you no money. All right, I want you to think about that. The procrastination you allow to interfere with you making calls, and you not making calls, and you saying, oh, I can't afford the courses, or I can't afford to read the books, or I can't afford to watch all these videos. I can't afford to do all the stuff that's necessary, okay, for success. Because folks, if you're going to be successful in 2021, you're going to have to sacrifice, all right? And that means to give up something of a lower nature to receive something of a higher nature, okay? That's why I'm a big proponent in investing in yourself. And in fact, this one is a big one. A lot of you guys just flat out were not willing to invest in yourself or your Smma agency, and so therefore you didn't have any results, okay? I don't want you to go and just be spinning in the wind or just going through the motions in 2021, because folks, it takes money to make money, and that saying is true. Either you're going to pay with your time, energy, or you're going to pay with your money. And a lot of you guys say, hey, Maurice, I'm just not willing to invest in courses. I want to do everything free. I want to just go on YouTube. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the hard way to be honest with you. Just think about this for a minute, okay? You can either create your own recipes, okay? Or you can go online, okay, and purchase a cookbook that's somebody that's already proven, all right? Proven recipes. All you got to do is purchase them and follow them. But yet a lot of you guys want to throw a lot of stuff in the bowl and try to create your own concoction, and it's not working, okay? You guys are not able to be successful in Smma unless you got a blueprint. You need a blueprint in order to be successful in social media marketing, okay? Now, free can only take you so far. YouTube is beautiful. You know, Facebook and Google and all the free information that's out there. And in fact, ladies and gentlemen, let's think about this. If free was the solution, if information in itself was the solution, then why are you still broke? Because there's so much free information out there, but yet 98% of the people failed last year. It's flat out failed. They absolutely failed last year, and all the free information was there, but yet they still got no results. Why is that? Ladies and gentlemen, you need a blueprint. You need something that's concrete. And I'm not saying you can't apply, like I got tons of free information out there. And for those that take it and apply it, they still can be successful. But it's something about when you invest, when you got skin in the game. See, a lot of you guys don't have any skin in the game, so therefore you do nothing. See, when you invest $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $10,000 in a course in your business, it's going to motivate you to do something. Okay, it's going to motivate you to go ahead and get to the next level. Okay, so what I want to do, ladies and gentlemen, really quick, is kind of give you guys just like a little blueprint, a game plan, so that you guys can be more successful in Smma this year. Okay, because I don't want you guys to suck. All right, plain and simple. I want you guys to make as much money as humanly possible in 2021. And you're not going to be able to make money doing the exact same things you did last year. Because guess what? What you did last year is the same thing you're going to get this year if you continue to do the same stuff. Okay? So we got to scratch that off your board, ladies and gentlemen. We want 2021 to be a total success for you. All right? The first thing, okay, and we're just going to run over a couple things you guys already know, but the first thing I want you to do is invest in yourself. I want you to take your personal, I call it PD, your personal development important, okay? I want you guys to set aside as much as possible, all right? And I don't talk about this too much, but try to set aside $1,000 to $2,000, okay, to invest in yourself. I don't care whatever tools you need. All right. And a lot of you guys will say, Maurice, I don't have $1,000 to $2,000. Well, do $100, do $200, do $50, do $25. Start somewhere. All right. Go and buy the initial books and trainings that you perhaps are going to need to help you to get better. A lot of you guys just aren't good enough. You suck. And you got to improve your skills. This is what's holding 98% of you guys back. Is your skill set. Your skill set is just not good enough yet. All right? Your skills got to be better. Let me make that a little better for you. Your skill set is not there, okay? And until your skill set improves, your money won't improve. You want your money to improve, then you got to get your skill set to improve. How do you get your skill set to improve? You invest in yourself. How do you become a doctor? You got to go to school. You got to pay for the education so that you can be a practicing physician. There is no way around it. You got to get better as a person. You got to get better to become a doctor. You just don't all of a sudden say, I'm a doctor. No, you got to go invest, go through all the motions, then you become a doctor. How do you get good in Smma and get clients and make $10,000 a month and do all these phenomenal things that you want to do, ladies and gentlemen? Plain and simple. You invest in yourself. You apply what you need to apply, you get your skill set up, and you get better, and then your money gets better. So you got to invest in yourself. And then the next thing, all right? Plain and simple, ladies and gentlemen. This is key. You got to take flat out action, all right? What I suggest you do, all right? You guys know my favorite way of getting clients is cold calling, okay? What do I mean by take action? You guys got to prospect. This is key. If you want clients, you got to prospect. You should be on that phone 1 to 2 hours per day. All right, plain and simple. Monday through Saturday. Matter of fact, this is blitz mode, beast mode time. All right. Get the scripts. You guys click the link in the description. Get the course. Get the ICP course. Get the rebuttals. Get all the trainings, how to close. You guys keep asking me about closing and all that. I got tons of closes and stuff in the ICP. I don't put a lot of my client stuff out on YouTube like that for various reasons, okay? So I don't do a lot of closing is the easiest part of SMMA, so therefore I don't do it. The hardest part of SMMA is prospecting, getting you guys to prospect. That's the hardest stuff. Once you find the right client, it's easy to close people. Simple. You ask questions, all right, and then you give them solutions to their questions. And then you take their money, and then you go hire an outsourcer and let the outsourcer get them results, or you can learn it yourself. You go to YouTube University, and you can get tutorials on Facebook, Google, and all that stuff, okay? So anyway, take action. You got to do something this year, folks. Don't sit on the sideline and watch me make, $250,000 or $500,000 in my SMMA agency this year. Don't just sit on the sideline and do that, okay? Because that's the type of money that I'm going to make. And I don't want you guys just to sit there and watch me make all this money. Come and join me. Guys, come and join me. How do you join me? Take action. Invest in yourself. This is a simple strategy that you guys can follow. All right? You can follow this. You can set aside. There's 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen, in a day. And if you can't pull 1 to 2 hours, that's a lot. Like a lot of people keep saying, Maurice, I need more time. No, you don't. What you need to do is you need to time block. You need to set your time as a priority. The reason why you guys aren't rich is because you haven't prioritized the day. You just let your time get away from you. And when you let your time get away from you, you let your money get away from you. Okay? So it's 24 hours in a day. You can get out 1 to 2 hours out of a 24-hour time period, okay? You can do that. And what you do for those 1 to 2 hours, we call that your money hour, your money hours, okay? Money or revenue producing activity time, all right? And you prospect for 1 to 2 hours a day, and you do it Monday through Saturday. And at the end of 60 to 90 days, ladies and gentlemen, guess what you can have? How would you like to do $10,000 a month? And then after that, how would you like to do maybe $25,000 a month? All right? Because guess what you're going to do? You're going to get good at this stuff like me. And you can just create your own reality. I just gave you guys the blueprint to being successful in 2021. Okay? This is all you got to do. Invest in yourself. Okay, they say, Maurice, if you had $10,000, would you buy property or would you invest in my university? Baby, I would invest in my university because if something happened to that house, okay, then I may not be able to get that house back. I may get some money or something like that. But this right here, nothing can interfere with my mind. It's the greatest investment you can ever invest in. You can lose $1 million, but long as you got the knowledge, you can always get it back. And so that's why you guys got to invest. You got to take action, do whatever it takes to be successful. So folks, I hope you guys got value. If you have, make sure you comment below, hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I put out fire like this on a regular, okay? My goal is to help as many people as possible earn $10,000 a month and or 6 figures from home using social media marketing as the vehicle. Then you can launch out and start doing real estate and Shopify and, opening up, stores or whatever you want to do in life, okay? But you got to get a cash cow. Smma is the perfect cash cow. You guys know what to do. Click the link in the description. You can grab the ICP so that you guys can model this simple strategy of 1 to 2 hours a day, prospecting, getting new customers and clients, and getting them results, okay? You guys want one-on-one coaching, you can also click the link in the description and we can have a conversation about holding your hand and making sure you hit $10,000 to $20,000 a month. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.